Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into edX, access online university courses step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or mobile device. Type edX.org into the address bar and press enter. Wait for the edX homepage to fully load. Look at the top right corner of the page for the sign in button. Click or tap sign in to open the login page. Choose whether you want to sign in with email or with a social account if available. If you have an edX account, click into the email field. Type the email address you used when you created your edX account. Click into the password field under the email field. Type your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you are on a private device, you can enable the Remember Me option to stay signed in. If you are on a shared or public device, leave Remember Me turned off for safety. Click or tap the Sign In button to continue. If you see a security check or CAPTCHA, complete it and proceed. If your login fails, recheck your email and password and try again. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the login page. Enter your email address and request the password reset link. Open your email inbox and find the message from edX. Click the reset link and create a new strong password. Return to edX and sign in again using your updated password. After signing in, click your profile icon or your name in the top right area. Select Dashboard to view your enrolled courses. Click a course title to open the course homepage. Use the navigation menu in the course to access videos, readings, and assignments. If you are not enrolled yet, go to the course catalog and select a course to enroll. Confirm your enrollment option, such as Audit or Verified, if prompted. Check your browser settings if pages do not load, and allow cookies for edX. Sign out when finished by opening your profile menu and choosing Logout, especially on shared devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.